In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a chart in CoinMarketCap. This process is incredibly straightforward, but I'll walk you through each step to make sure you feel confident navigating the website and downloading the information you need. First, let's open up our web browser and navigate to CoinMarketCap's website. You can do this by entering coinmarketcap.com into your browser's address bar and pressing Enter. Once the page loads, you'll see a wealth of data at your fingertips, with an extensive list of cryptocurrencies and their various metrics displayed. Now, this is the hub for all things crypto, and it's a fantastic resource for those interested in tracking market trends and analyzing the performance of specific coins. Now that we're on the home page, the next thing we need to do is find and click on the coin we're interested in. For instance, if you want to explore more about Ethereum or any other coin that's caught your eye, you just need to click on its name from the list, or you can use the search bar at the top of the page to find it directly. This will bring up a dedicated page for that specific cryptocurrency, showcasing a detailed overview of its price, historical data, and more. Once you're on the coins page, look for an icon that resembles three horizontal lines, typically located near the top or within the chart area. This icon is similar to a menu button and can be a little tricky to find if you're not familiar with the interface. So take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Clicking on this icon will open up a menu with various options. As we progress through the options, you'll notice there's one specifically for downloading the chart. It will give you the choice to download the chart as either a JPG or PNG file. These file types are both common image formats that can be easily shared or used in presentations. Opt for the format that best suits your needs. JPG files may have slight compression, while PNG files typically maintain higher quality. Simply click on your preferred format and the download will begin automatically. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded a chart directly from CoinMarketCap. This capability to download charts is not only a practical function, but also a helpful way to keep track of your cryptocurrency investments or market interests on a more personal level. Whether you're analyzing trends or making decisions about your digital assets, having a copy of these charts on hand can be invaluable. Thank you for following along with today's tutorial. Don't forget, if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to revisit this video or explore the help sections on CoinMarketCap. Have fun exploring the world of cryptocurrencies and make the most of the powerful tools available to you.